In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a reminder in Zoho Cliq. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping track of tasks, appointments, or any important events in your schedule. Whether you need reminders for personal tasks or to stay in touch with your team, Zoho Cliq offers a simple way to ensure you never miss a beat. Let's dive into the process of creating a reminder step by step. First, you'll want to open up the Reminder dialog in Zoho Cliq. To do this, navigate to the header bar of your Zoho Cliq interface. Here, you'll notice an icon that resembles a small clock or bell. Click on this icon to open the Reminder dialog box, which will serve as your hub for managing reminders. Once you've opened the dialog, it's time to enter the details of your reminder. Start by typing a brief yet descriptive title in the designated field. This could be something like Team Meeting or Project Deadline. The aim here is to create a title that will jog your memory immediately when you see it. Next, you'll set the date and time for your reminder. Click on the clock icon within the dialog box, which will open a date and time selector. Carefully choose the date and time that suits your requirement. This ensures that the reminder will pop up at the precise moment you need it to. If you want to assign this reminder to someone else, Zoho Cliq makes it easy for you. Simply click on the @mentions icon in the dialog box. This allows you to mention a user directly, whether by their username or email ID. It's a handy way to delegate or share reminders with your colleagues or team members. Zoho Cliq also allows you to set recurring reminders. If this is something you're interested in, look for the Schedule Recurrence option within the dialog. From there, you'll see a Repeat drop-down menu. Here, you can choose how frequently you want the reminder to recur. Daily, weekly, or monthly options are available. If you have specific days in mind, select the custom choice. This can be really useful for tasks or events that repeat regularly. Once you've finalized all these details, it's time to create your reminder by clicking on the Set button. This action saves your reminder, ensuring it will appear precisely when you've scheduled it. That's all there is to it. Setting reminders in Zoho Cliq is straightforward yet powerful, giving you control over your schedule while maintaining clear communication with your team. Using these reminders effectively can be a game changer for productivity and organization in both professional and personal settings. So the next time you log into Zoho Cliq, feel confident in setting reminders that keep you on top of your tasks and appointments.